How to tell when it's time to harvest winter squash, coming up on Year-Round Gardening.
Year-Round Gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Winter squash can be a great addition to your vegetable garden. From acorn to butternut, delicata to pumpkin, these can provide a versatile and flavorful addition to your dishes and add variety to your fall decor. Winter squash generally are harvested in the fall before Halloween. There are some telltale signs of when they're ready to harvest, so here are a few tips. You can test the squash with your fingernails. You'll know the squash is ready for harvest when it resists fingernail indentation in the skin. Also, the squash should have a mature color. You can find that information on the seed packet. For many, the rind will be white or yellow on the part that is in contact with the ground. When harvesting, use clippers or a tool such as a machete and maintain as much of the handle as possible. Also, avoid picking up a large squash like a pumpkin by the handle, because they're often not sturdy enough to handle the weight. You can eat your squash right away. If you're storing them for later use, place them in an area with temperatures between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity between 80 to 85% for 10 or 14 days or so. This will cure the squash and prolong the post-harvest life. From a food safety standpoint, it's wise to avoid eating any squash with cracks or splits.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated, and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.